Hello, beautiful children of my algebra classes, second and fourth period. It's Miss Press here, and as I warned you before, I am out today. I'm taking baby Jack to the San Antonio Zoo. So as you're watching this video, we're probably looking at some animals and hopefully enjoying the sunshine, and definitely, I'm missing you guys and hoping that you're having a fantastic day. Remember that tomorrow is an asynchronous learning day again. Thank you to those of you who turned in your work Friday. You should see grades in Google Classroom. If not already, then by the end of the day today. But anyway, tomorrow is another asynchronous day, meaning tomorrow again, you will not come to Zoom class. You will actually just go to Google Classroom and do some review work covering stuff from today. And definitely look out for feedback on your work from today before I go to bed tonight. Okay, so let's get into some notes. I've got my document right here, and I'm expecting you guys to follow along with me. So I might take like Dora the Explorer breaks, and Ms. B, feel free absolutely to pause my video if people need more time to take notes or have questions as we go along. Okay, guys? So today's topic might look a little scary. It's called evaluating functions. And you're like, Miss, what? And we'll talk more about functions when I see your gorgeous faces again on Wednesday. But a function is basically just something that has an input and an output. For now, that's all we need to know. And we've done this before. So today's just going to take what we've done before and sort of level it up. Okay, so we're going to take what we did before and just level it up to like high school advanced skills because you guys are amazing and doing incredible. Okay, so let's get into it starting on the notes section. I'll go ahead and read them. If you get sick of my voice, just cut me off and you guys can read them. Okay, first it says sometimes an input-output relationship is written like this. And here's what we have written like this. And this shows our input and our output. Okay, and this is our next note. It says this is called function notation. You guys know how I am about my color coding. This is called function notation. And it tells us that F is the output and X is the input. So just like before we said X is the input and Y is the output, now we're replacing Y with this F of X, okay? So think about it like replacing Y, what we did before, with F of X right here. I'm gonna pause a second to make sure you get caught up. Okay, here's the exciting part. This is like a puzzle. We can evaluate a function, which we've done before, evaluate. I'm going to use the dictionary tool to look that up. We can evaluate a function in function notation when an evaluate says, find a numerical expression. Very helpful. Thank you, dictionary. We can find a numerical expression or find a number in function notation when it tells us the value of x, like this, f of So whatever number is in this neat little bubble basically tells us what our x is. Okay. And this is very important. We substitute. Remember the last time we talked about this and I said substitute, just like on November 2nd when I'm not here, there's going to be another teacher. It's Miss B, she's the substitute. So you take out Miss Press, you put in Miss B, okay? And we have a functioning class. In this case, we're going to substitute the value in parentheses everywhere we see the x. So we're going to take out the x and put that value there, just like you take out Miss Press and put Miss B, and you have a seamless, beautiful class, okay? So our last job is to simplify, and this is very, very important. So important, we're putting it in red. Don't forget to use parentheses around the x value, okay? Put your parentheses around the x value. I'm going to give us a second to make your notes look like mine. And actually, this video is about to cut off. I'm going to read our core idea, and then this video will cut off, and we'll watch the next video for the model. Okay, our core idea, when we are given an input for an equation, we can use that to find the output. So it's like if I go to the store, I say I bought 5 shirts, then you can tell me the cost. Input changes the output. When we know the input, we know the output.